how to monetize your content. 5 steps. First step. First step is ad revenue, right? Earn money by displaying ads on your content through platform like YouTube and Google AdSense, right? Or Facebook. Second step. Second step is affiliate marketing, right? Promote products and earn a commission on every sale using affiliate marketing. Third step. Third step is digital product, right? Create and sell digital products like ebook, courses, or templates to generate income, right? Fourth step. Fourth step is services. Monetize your expertise by offering services like coaching, consulting, or freelancing, right? And fifth step is sponsored content. Partner with brand to create sponsored content and get paid by for their promotions, right? So in this 5 way, you can monetize your content. And to learn more, follow me and join my community at askavulai.com. Thank you very much. Vande Mataram.